Welcome to one of the most private estates you'll find this close to Louisville. More than 43 acres, a gated entrance, rolling Kentucky pasture, mature woods, a creek, a pond, and a home that feels like its own private resort. Trees frame the lane toward the house. With 11 acres of mature timber, a winding creek with natural stone banks, a tranquil pond, and additional acreage recently cleared and mulched, there's plenty of land to explore. Inside, the home combines timeless design with thoughtful updates. The two-story great room is filled with natural light, while new Andersen doors open to a covered porch and recently built deck overlooking the backyard. The refreshed kitchen features new countertops, a backsplash, and a gas cooktop supplied by a newly installed gas line. The first floor primary suite includes bay windows, engineered wood flooring, motorized blinds, a spa-inspired bath, and a dressing room centered around a custom island. The finished walkout basement adds another level of living and entertaining space, with a spacious family room, wet bar, game room with pool table, fitness room, and a fourth bedroom tucked behind sliding barn doors. French doors open directly to the backyard. Outside, the property takes on a resort feel, with an in-ground pool featuring a tanning shelf and 4 fountains, plus a timber pavilion with a stone fireplace. The carriage house includes a private 1-bedroom apartment with its own kitchen, bathroom, laundry, and covered veranda, while the attached 43-foot climate-controlled show garage provides an impressive space for vehicles and hobbies. There's also a 36 by 60 tool shed, farm and floorboard fencing, and deed restrictions that allow horses and barns. Major improvements include geothermal heating with a new exchanger and coils, a 2019 roof, new windows and Andersen doors, resurfaced pool deck and porches, a repaved entrance and driveway, an 18-foot automatic front gate with sensor, and a pond aerator. With public water, septic service, no HOA dues, and a location just 5 minutes from Simpsonville and about 20 minutes from Louisville, this is a private Kentucky estate that gives you the space and lifestyle of the country without giving up convenience.